Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Rene by Rene of Paris High Fashion in the color Plumberry Jam LR. Oh, I love this wig. I do. I love this wig. I love how funky it is. I love that it looks even more amazing when it's sloppy. Like, it just looks great. I love the color. And in fact, I started thinking to myself, like, I know everyone when they review this is gonna review it in a blonde color, so I need to pick something that's like the opposite of all of that. This is pretty much as opposite as you can get, wouldn't you say? Before I do anything else, I'd like to, well, take this out from under my ear and do a 360 so I can show you what Rene looks like on all sides. I love this wig. I have one in melted marshmallow that I also love. This is probably one of my favorite Rene of Paris wigs for a long time. Like, it's just so cute. The way that the layering is cut, I mean, it's so deconstructed. Like, it's almost straight. It's almost completely straight in the back, and you can see that. But then here, it's like deconstructed, and you get a little bit more of the curl as you get towards the face, which is great because if you use a little bit of shaping cream and or some other synthetic safe styling product, you can really bring out these layers, get them to flare out a little bit. I mean, it's just killer. This cut is so cool. Like, see how it kind of wants to flare out? You can really bring the most of that. I like to tuck one side behind my ear and then liberally fluff the other side. Okay. So this is Rene melted marshmallow with some Beauty Mark shaping cream thrown on it. And see how you can really bring out that texture. In fact, let me do another 360 so you can see how I've styled this. It took literally nothing. I just grabbed some of this stuff, put it on my fingers, and then went, oh, and it brings out all that layering, keeps it up and off the face, makes it look really, really cool. So let me go ahead and turn around so you can see this in a little bit more detail when it's styled. And I mean, you don't have to tuck this side behind your ear. You can let that down too, and it's just as cute. It's just, I don't know, I've kind of got this whole like love of Prince thing, like as in the purple one. Like, he, you know, even sang in Paisley Park about how like there's a song called Paisley Park, about how all the kids there hang out with half their hair back and the other half fluffed out. And, you know, it's a very 80s style and it's a very 80s way of styling it, but I love it so much. Let me go back to the Plumberry Jam so you can see what this looks like when you don't style it, but I definitely wanted to show you just how little effort it takes to make this one amazing. Let me show you the cap construction while this one's off my head. This one has a lace front, a monofilament side part that is located on the left-hand side. We've also got open wefts on the side and in the back, as well as a little bit of felt. It is not an extended nape, but it is felt. It adjusts a bit like a bra strap back here. In terms of fit, it's not terribly stretchy, but it does stretch more than a lot of other brands. And the more you wear it, the stretchier it's going to become. Not to say that it's gonna overstretch, but if you've got a larger cap size and you just sort of want it to stretch so you're not like getting headaches and stuff, wear it around the house a little bit before you debut it at work or something. I'm gonna put this one back on. This one's cute right out of the box, and you don't necessarily have to style it. It's just, to me, this one screams, I want styling product to make it as voluminous and funky and amazing as possible, because it's got so much texture and potential going on here. Just a luscious, luscious wig. The lace front on here is scratchy to me, and it's very, very thick. But it's nice, and it's definitely needed on a style like this because there's no bang or anything to obscure that front hairline. So, you know, it's about as good as you're gonna get for this price point. So, you know, it's all right. It's an all right lace front. But to me, it doesn't matter because the style is so cute. I would go for it anyway. The front, and take all these measurements with a huge grain of salt because it's curled, is supposedly 8.5 inches. The crown down, 7.5. Well, this is straight back here, so that's more or less the measurement. And the nape is only 3. So really short nape back there. But not so short that you have to worry about the tag inverting and kind of saying, hi, I'm wearing a wig back there. You don't really have to worry about that. It's got enough coverage that you can keep the tag on pretty well. So I love this wig. I love it. I love it in every color I've seen it in so far. I know it's not gonna work for every face shape, but for my face shape, I adore it. I think it just looks really, really cool. And so I highly recommend this one. Of the ones that they released for their spring 2018 collection, Rene is by far my favorite, probably followed by Kai. I think Kai is also a winner. So there you have it. This has been the CysterWigs review of the Rene by Rene of Paris High Fashion in the color Plumberry Jam LR. I recommend both this color and this wig. I also recommend the melted marshmallow I showed you earlier. That color is amazing on this wig, as you can probably tell by yourself. And the weight is a little less than 3 ounces in case I didn't mention it. So it is a substantial wig for, you know, this length. It's short, but it's got quite a lot of hair on it. But it doesn't feel super heavy on. I figured this is a pretty comfortable wig actually. I've worn my Rene melted marshmallow out and to trade shows and stuff like that, and it's a very comfortable wig. And what's even better is it gets tons of compliments. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you'll subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos in the future, and have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.